Hi guys, I want to do a quick video. This is in my basement gym. I actually have three home gyms. One's in my garage, one's in my basement, one's in an extension room, and I'm currently building a fourth home gym, which will be in my backyard patio. But what this video is about sill row benches. And if you research this, you'll find that sill row benches can cost $600 or more. And it's not necessary, because all you need is just a regular flat bench and get yourself 6 solid construction blocks. And that's what I did. I bought each one of these solid construction blocks made out of concrete for $3 each, actually $2.98. So what we have is 6 times 3, that's $18. So for $18 on a regular flat bench, you can do sill rows. So what I'm going to do is demonstrate. As you can see, I stacked 3 on top of each other. I just put it underneath a regular bench. Just going to lie down on it. Grab my barbell. I can do sill rows. What that does, it builds up my middle of my back. So if you're into pull-ups, which I like doing pull-ups, I want to build up the middle of my back to make pull-ups easier. Okay, there you go. What I've done is about $18 worth of solid construction blocks. Put them in stacks of 3 under each end of a bench, and now I have a sill row bench. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell notifications, because I'll be putting out a lot more information. I'm an old man, 67 years old, probably have 10 years of life. But I'm going to try to exercise as much as I can, eat a good diet, get adequate rest, and try to preserve my good health and extend my longevity. Thanks for watching.